आइए अनु भाई, मेरे बात में कर देना, आइए
अनु सर आ गया जो
अनु सर, अनु भाई
मिलने के लिए खड़ा है वो।
ये नीचे बैठना है।
अरे रुक जा।
इनको क्या लगे?
मैं हमारी भूल बता रहा भाई तुम।
इसका बोला उसको, मैं टार्ट चेंज करा, बोलता है क्या?
हाई स्पीड वाला दिया है कि नॉर्मल दिया है?
लो दे थोड़ा नीचे लो ना।
तो आप पीछे हो भाई।
ओए इधर
अमृता जी लेफ्ट में रहेगी, आपके लेफ्ट में।
मैम ये मार्क पे आइए मैम। अरे सेंटर में बुला भाई, सेंटर में आइए, सेंटर में। अमृता जी सोलो।
आगे से आवाज नहीं गई।
अमृता जी सोलो।
ऊपर देखो, ए अम्बानी पकड़ना तेरा है। मिल जाएगा।
मैम इधर 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 अब नेक्स्ट मार्क।
मैम इधर आ जाइए।
आगे आगे थोड़ा आगे। मैम यहाँ पे वेट 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 वेट। मैडम राजा के पास। मैम यहाँ पे सामने सामने होल्ड। थैंक यू मैम।
और डोले ना।
सरगुन जी
सरगुन जी वेट कर रहा है, सरगुन जी वेट कर, सरगुन जी वेट नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे। सरगुन भाई
रुको।
ए भाई कैमरा निकले। सरगुन मैम
अभी मार्क पे बोला, मार्क पे बोला।
अरे हो
ये सर यहाँ पे हाँ। हो गया हो गया ये हो गया। ये भाई रुको जाओ मत।
नहीं मिला हम लोग को।
बाइक
असं कुठे गेला धुंदला धुंदला
हाँ बैठ बैठ सोलो
आएगा कोई आके
नहीं रे बड़ा आएगा तो
थैंक यू अरे यार भाई विमल भाई थोड़ा देखो थैंक यू दादा दादा ओ दादा बैठो ना
यार हम लोग का वो मत करो यार
ओए दादा ये
वॉकिंग मारो तुम बैठते हैं
सेंटर सेंटर
ये कैमरा में चले थोड़ा ये कैमरा बोला खाली गला बस सामने एक बार थैंक यू वैसा बात ना तो मुझे बैठ के बात बोले बोला ये भाई नीचे बैठना है ये आगे वाला मोबाइल पे आना
मैडम आ गई देख गाड़ी आ गई मैडम आ गई भाई मैडम आ गई क्या दिखा रहा है
सारी मत लेना किसी हाँ उधर पड़ी है रसीदा खोलो कोई नहीं है
सेंटर मार्क हो गया मैम इधर आइए मार्क पे मार्क पीछे मार्क पे थैंक यू इसका भी ले भाई गोविंदर चड्डा आ गई
किधर गई हो
थैंक यू गुरिंदर मैम मार्क मैम अरे वाह।
हाथ आ गया
नेक्स्ट मार्क बस
रुक जा चला ये सब आ गए थे बाकी बस नाइस
लेफ्ट में देखिए लेफ्ट में ये भाई इसको बोलना ये भाई थोड़ा नीचे बैठ के मारना
थैंक यू चल वो भाई छोड़ो नहीं
थैंक यू मैम
आठ पे आइए मैम अजी नेक्स्ट बार अजी यहाँ पे थोड़ा आगे जो मैम यहाँ पे बस बाजी
रस्ते खुले गलियां बाजारां दे मेरा रंग खुले फिरते पुत्सदारा दे
चलो थैंक यू
जी यहाँ पे देखिए
गाना दे
थैंक यू बाजी
थैंक यू भाजी
हाँ इधर सामने मामा के पास रुक भाई यहाँ पे देखिए भाई लेफ्ट में भाई राजा के पास लेफ्ट भाई राजा के पास कलयुग वेट पीछे बस सर
थैंक यू
आना जी यहाँ पे
हमारा शुरू लगा
एडिडास
नेक्स्ट बार वेट
कपड़ा भी उसे लगा
Welcome, Naina. Lovely to have you here.
Am I audible? Oh, okay, great. Suddenly I am. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Special thanks to our distinguished guests, Miss Amrita, Miss Gurinder Chadda, the reason we're all here today, partners at Civic Studios as well. Another round of applause, please. I know you've been clapping, but let's give it another shot. This year has been incredible for global cinema in India. We've released some incredible films from A24, Black Bear, Anton, some incredible partners. Our mission is to curate exceptional films from exceptional filmmakers who have something meaningful to say. At PVR Inox Pictures, we believe that stories have no borders. We want to distribute films that are powerful, that are bold, and that are important, which is why we're so excited to be collaborating with you, Ms. Gurinder Chadda. Bold, path-breaking, and extraordinary yourself, as said by Christine many times, your work transcends generations. You initiated diverse storytelling in the most beautiful, warm, intentional, and wholesome way. You weave South Asian culture into every tale you tell. I'm personally a huge, huge fan, having watched Bend It Like Beckham 1,000 times. Our favorite dialogue in the house is football, shootball, hai rabba. Except for us, it was basketball. Christmas Karma carries the same warmth. It's a story about heart. It has themes of family. It has joy. It has elements of friendship. But it also has themes that are very important to discuss in today's landscape. It has themes of identity, immigration. It has themes of displacement, very important for today's world. So once again, we're very proud to be partnering with you. We're very proud to have this screening today. And we can't wait for Indian audiences to see this film. As the theatrical landscape evolves, our focus will remain elevating global content such as this, trusting our audiences, and also ensuring that India experiences these films on the big screen, just the way that they're intended to be. So thank you so much again, everyone, and please enjoy the show. I'd like to hand it back to Christine to kick it off.
Good evening.
Hi, thank you. Thanks for the lovely introduction, Christine. Good evening, everybody, and thank you all for being here. Everything we produce at Civic Studios is with the goal of social impact: feature films, TV shows, and digital content for a better world. As a company based between Mumbai and London, this project is a musical that touches upon immigration and the pain that often comes from leaving one's home to find a new one. Over the last few years, we've seen a rise in anti-immigrant sentiment in the West. For many of us living in the UK and US or who have family there, the hate in politics is personal. I was 2 months pregnant when we were shooting, and now my baby is 11 months old, and the anti-immigrants and protests in the UK have only got worse. Gurinder often says that she made this film for her children. So the privilege I have had of being with her in this journey has not just been two Indian women producing a film for the globe, but as two mothers quietly hoping the film's message of love over hate can give our children a better future. We've been asked a few times whether a Christmas film will be as relevant in India. We think so, because festive films have a special magic. They gather families, cut across politics, and if Christmas teaches us generosity, then karma, a deeply Indian concept, teaches us responsibility. The story is also in many ways a historical document of Indians. It captures the journey of East African Indians under the British Empire, a community that carried Indian culture across oceans, built homes for the first time in Africa and then in the UK with unimaginable resilience, faced discrimination with dignity, and has gone on to be one of the most powerful communities in Britain today. It's a story rarely portrayed on screen. Lastly, we all know Gurinder's film Bend It Like Beckham. Apart from being brilliant entertainment and incredibly funny even 23 years later, and of course, launching Keira Knightley's career, it showed many Indians abroad that we could also be represented and that as women we could find freedom in sports. It's karma now that after everything she's given us, backing this movie has been a chance to pay that gratitude back. We hope you enjoyed the movie, have a lot of fun watching it, and lastly, that you carry back a message of love conquering hate above all. Thank you.
I have and bend it like Beckham. The way you iconically directed it and the world salutes you for that is also a torchlight for me to live my life. Because one of the critical issues which had never been handled properly or never had been recognized. But because of you, it got a platform and it got recognized under the deaf blindness rights of persons with disability. You also promoted rubella, which was very helpful in terms of combating the disease. And I'm sure you have a long way to go. I think so. With ma'am and you being a combination, both of you stand for people who might not have the platform, who might not have the background, but who need to be heard, included, and loved. So you make a great, compassionate pair, and in fact we all are there with you. I think so this movie, I think so Mr. Sood, who's the I think so Scrooge in the movie with three ghosts, will give us a beautiful story which will touch our hearts. It will give us the message of love, compassion, which is very much needed in today's times, which are volatile and violent. So let's together watch the movie, promote the movie, and let's be there for each other always for causes which matter to the world. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jagdish, and I'm very proud to be standing here as a person with deaf blindness. Today, I speak for many others like me. This evening is very special. It is not only about watching a movie. It is about hope, empathy, and showing everyone that every single person matters. Most of you must be wondering how a person with deaf blindness can watch a movie. My interpreter is my eyes and ears. She will use sign language to explain everything on the screen. For others with limited vision and hearing, they use accessible movie apps like XL Cinema. I want to say a big thank you to our chief guest, Mrs. Amruta Fadnavis, for being here and supporting us. Ma'am, your presence means a lot. Thank you to Anushka and the Civic Studio team for producing a movie like Christmas Karma, which talks about justice and empathy. Thank you to the PVR Inox team for making this event open and welcoming for all, including people with disabilities. I am deeply thankful to Mr. Sunil Sheth, Chairperson of Sense International, and Amit Dholakia, Chairperson of Sense International India, for their continued support. For people like me, inclusion is not only a word, it is life. When we feel seen and represented, the world becomes a much better place. And movies like Christmas Karma remind us that everyone has a story worth sharing. Thank you to Gurinder Chadda for creating Christmas Karma. Your stories bring people together. And tonight, you have brought all of us together. Helen Keller said, alone we can do so little, and together we can do so much. Thank you for making this possible. Before I end, I have a small wish. Tomorrow is World Disability Day, and I invite you all to celebrate with me. And now, I am happy to invite Ms. Gurinder Chadda to introduce the movie.
Well, that was very moving, wasn't it? You know, my daughter is in the film, and at college she wants to learn sign language. So that was amazing. I filmed that for her. Wow, thank you, everyone. What amazing speeches. Thank you, Nena. That was a beautiful introduction. Thank you, Miss Samrita. You have so many skills. I would like to add one more skill. I need to teach you football. So we can get you in Bend It Like Beckham too. It's all about female empowerment. So I'm so happy to, obviously I know of all your work, and I think one of the best things about this evening is everyone who has been on stage has been a woman. You know, wow, isn't that amazing? That is something, yes. What can I say? I am here because I grew up in England. I wanted to make a Christmas film because we see so many Christmas films and it's such a big part of our lives. But I chose a story really about a refugee. And I wanted to tell that story because Charles Dickens' story was about a man who suffers childhood trauma. And people I knew had come from Uganda in 1972 to Britain and were still living with the trauma of that and had turned to money. What we do as filmmakers, I think, is we carry our parents, our grandparents, our ancestors. You know, 70 odd years ago now, you know, my grandparents came as refugees from India and Pakistan, from what is now Pakistan to India. My parents were in India, my grandparents were in India and in East Africa, and then came to England. My grandmother, who was born in Rawalpindi, lived in India, came to England, and would insist I make rotis. And, and you know, so I carry all that with me, and that's what makes its way into my films. And I'm deeply touched by the fact that, you know, my family's here, and it's wonderful for me to have family in India who I love and who come. And my VIP this evening is my mummy G, who's 93 years old and who insisted on coming to support me. Thank you so much, Mummy G. She herself went through partition. And isn't that ironic? These stories of partition bring us round in circles. The story of refugees, the stories of loss, but then also of celebration. And this film for me is a combination. But sometimes I tell stories in Britain that people in America and Britain don't necessarily want to finance. So I was struggling to get this film made. And then I happened to be walking along the Croisette in Cannes, and I saw two Indian women coming towards me, and they were both going, "Oh my God, it's Gurinder Chadha, we have to get a photo, we have to get a photo." And so I stopped, and they took a selfie with me, and then I said, "What do you do?" And one of them said, "Oh, I have a film studio in London, in India, called Civic Studios." As soon as she told me about the social impact of their philosophy of financing films, I immediately sent her the script. Next day they came back and came on board. So my immense gratitude to Civic Studios and Anushka Shah and her whole team. Then fast forward from that Cannes to Christmas. I had money, but not enough money. And I still couldn't raise the last part of the budget. And Christmas was coming, and London was so beautiful at Christmas time, and all the lights were there, and I just didn't have the finances complete to make the film. And I was very depressed. And then I had agreed, Sunil Sheth, my dear friend here of a long time, had asked me to do a reading at a charity event in Piccadilly. And I had agreed. I've been to Sense International as well. Many charities Sunil gets me to. And on this occasion, I was sad because all the Christmas lights were on and they were twinkling at me. And I was super upset that I hadn't been able to get my film together in time to shoot this lovely production value. So I did the reading. I offered an additional gift to the raffle, which was a walk-on part in my next film. It was wonderful. They sold lots of tickets. After, Sunil came up to me with this beautiful lady here, Madhavi, and the two of them came up to me and said, "So tell us about this film." And I said, "You know, there's so much rhetoric going on about racism and refugees right now, and the compassionate way politicians are talking about refugees, it really upsets me. And so I wanted to tell that story, but I also wanted to celebrate us. And so I've done it as a Christmas film. They were, this sounds great. Why aren't you making your movie? And I said, oh, I just don't have the last section of finance, you know. And next day, I went home. Next day, Sunil called me and said, you know what? Madhavi, I, and a few friends, we all went to dinner, and we all felt very bad that you had given us so much pleasure, but you couldn't raise the complete finance for your film. So we've all spoken to our friends, we've all had a whip round, we've put our hands in our pockets, and we're going to finance the rest of your movie. And thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Madhavi. That is the reason why this film is here, because of the love and support of many Indians, as well as Rishi Sunak with the tax credit, and TrueBrit, my distributor. So I'm ever grateful to PVR. Thank you all for coming. I think you'll see this is really, a film about karma. Charles Dickens wrote a book about karma. You know, the original book is about Scrooge learning how not to live his life by Marley and to find a good path. And ultimately, what I wanted to do was make a film for my kids and their friends that taught them how to be decent human beings and what to look for. And really, finally, Charles Dickens did not know, but the book that he wrote was from the principles of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, because the book is Ek Onkar. He says we're all one, rich or poor, we're all affected by each other. And how does Scrooge find salvation and redemption in the end? He learns by doing seva, by giving to people is actually how you feel like a human being. So through Guru Nanak, through all our religions, and Charles Dickens, we arrive at this place tonight. And thank you for all the love. I'm super grateful for all these beautiful speeches from everyone and all the love I've received today from so many journalists in India. You have no idea how happy I feel. Thank you.
Know your name, please? Sampada. Lovely to have you here. Thank you. Come. All right. You can click away now.
नीचे जोड़ो, नीचे कैमरा
So center.
मनीष सर रुको। मनीष सर इधर। मनीष सामने सामने। वेट वेट वेट। सोलो 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 मनीष सोलो। मनीष सर सामने। मनीष सर वेट वेट वेट।
केजो सर सुशांत सुशील केजो सर हाँ बोलो इसमें आवाज कौन सी बदलेगा
कैमरा
अभी बोलो
सिल्वर स्क्रीन ओ मैडम पीछे जाओ। ओ मैडम ओ ब्लैक ओ
थैंक यू कौन सा सोलो अरे इधर किसका सपोर्ट नहीं करने का बात सब ऐसे ही है थैंक यू